The highly recommended Dual Power Carpet Cleaner range from Vax, designed to work with your home. The Dual Power is lightweight and easy to carry all around the home, and with its powerful 2 rotating brush bars, it cleans deep into carpet pile, even in tight spaces. And with a wide path head and large capacity, the Dual Power Max cleans even the largest of homes, quickly. The Dual Power Pro cleans every angle of your carpet fibres with spin scrub technology alongside a rotating brush bar. And the Dual Power Pro Advance, with its handy pre-treatment wand and clean boost feature, preps and tackles tougher stains and spills, even on your upholstery or at the top of your stairs. The entire Dual Power range features twin tank technology to keep dirty water separate from clean water, and it's easy to empty and fill. Ideal for any home, big or small, and always at hand when you need it. The Dual Power Carpet Cleaner range by Vax. See what others are saying and order your Dual Power today for a fresher, cleaner home.